Hi, Judd here. Still a bit achy, but it is an absolutely gorgeous day here today, and we're going to see what we can get done. Hopefully, I'll be able to get the rebuild done. No reason I shouldn't be able to, other than my body sucks. Here we go. First off, a couple of housekeeping chores from yesterday. This board, when I was hanging this out, I loosened it up on that end, that metal joint in there. I got to tighten it back up. This one's good, but this one's loose. So I got to hit those nails. And I got to take this piece off of this because I need this board. If this screw isn't totally gone. Yep, it's totally gone. That's going to have to be busted out of there. Okay, that was easy enough. Beautiful. Okay, so got that back where it belongs. Now, get this. Okay, I gotta put a joint piece on here. Put that in there. The top one. Tightened up a bit. Okay. Supposedly this is 4 feet. Yeah. And a certain board I have, it just happens to be 4 feet. That looks good. Okay. Boom. Okay, perfect. I needed the top of this even with the top of these. And they are. Now, I got an extra hole there, and this is out to here. So that's good. Because that's supposed to be 3/4 down from there. So my plywood must have drooped over there. Is that going to be a problem? That's going to be a problem. Yeah, that's going to be a problem. Okay, well, I'll deal with that when I get to it. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So, that's that. I'm uncertain whether I want to put a brace in here because that would cause water to accumulate at the joint. And I don't want that. Don't need no more accumulating water. And this is plenty solid. What? Okay. Yeah, so. Perfect. If I can get there. I'm going under. I think. Okay, good. Haha, beautiful, beautiful. 4 feet. Okay, so these are a little bit over 8 feet. Lift this up. Okay. Okay, good. 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 I ain't gonna get that. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, so there's your space. Ah. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay. There we go. Good. Okay. Good. Look there. Look there. You know, the stupid thing about all these treated nails, when you hammer them, treated and painted nails, when you hammer them, of course you chip off whatever coating they put on there, whether paint or galbi. So it's kind of stupid. So there. These are screw nails, so that's a good thing. Okay. So now that's there. Check these all in what I got left. 16, 17. 19/8. 1, 2, 3, 6 spaces. Okay, so 6 goes into 17. And 8's up to 3/8. Whew. Cool. Ha! Oh, baby. Just happen to have my nifty 3/8 inch stick here. And I'll bring you up here and over to here. Split my 3/8 stick. Oh yeah, don't want the camera falling off. Boom, 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 boom. Fantastic, baby. Fantastic. Okay. Oh, baby. Okay, we're going to take a break. Well, I hate to do it, but the break has turned into a done for the day. I've had it. I'm bushed. But at least I can sit on my porch now. It's been a couple of years since I could walk safely over this spot. So that's it for today, and we'll wrap up things tomorrow. Because I want to throw some paint on this wood before I cover it all up with the siding and everything again. That's my excuse. Yeah, so that. Happy day to you. 72. Well, the manatees like it. Hope this thing does color good. Look at that tree up there with the sunset light hitting it. Isn't that beautiful? I don't know if it's showing up on this or not, but it's just gorgeous.